to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
Hey Alecias! It's Aiden Alicia here.
And it's Dawn Alicia here.
So today, actually, we don't have anything planned. Mom and Dad said, let's go.
We have no idea where we're going, so let's go.
But we know it's an adventure. Come on!
Okay guys, we're in Jersey now. I have no idea why, but I guess we'll find out. Aiden is sleeping, so it's just my parents and I.
Exit right to Six Flags, Hurricane Harbor.
Alright guys, so we're at Wild Safari. And we just passed emu and emu. Anyway, we passed those and now we're going to
North American bison.
North American bison. These bison are enormous. They're like basically the size of the car. Like they're so big.
Health. Antlers grow a layer of skin called velvet. To shed velvet, deer will rub their antlers on trees. This is the reason why we fence off so many tree trunks in this section.
Now is the zebra black with white stripes or white with black stripes?
Oh, I thought those look like extinct birds. Yeah, Dad had to stop for that one.
Okay, so the lions are kept by themselves, and I think we know why.
There's a bear!
Look, it's laying down, it's tired.
It was climbing the tree.
I saw it too.
Oh, it's going to that one, it's going to that one, it's going to that one.
Dude.
Bears can climb?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh my goodness. Look.
Dude, that is so high.
I couldn't even do that in gym class.
It's so cute. It's like, I bet it's a baby.
Oh yeah, it's so cute because you're in your car with the doors locked.
No, it's cute because...
How do they get down? They're gonna fall.
Let's see. I don't know, that tree doesn't look stable either.
Yeah, I think
Look.
It's sliding down.
I think that's a cub. Mom, look! There's kangaroos!
I see. Look at the little one hopping.
Where?
guys. So we just finished, and it was so cool. Seeing all these animals was super cool. It covered 350 acres full of animals.
When you get a chance, you should really come.
Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
Bye.